Yes, good evening all.
Good evening, sir.
Children, can you hear me clearly? My mic is properly, it's not working properly. I had to solve it and now I hope it is clear with you all. Can you hear me,
Yes, sir,
children?
it's clear.
Sir, we can hear you.
Yeah, yes. Chalo, let's get started now without any delay. So we are in sequence and series, right? Like, I hope that we have almost like, 90% of the chapter has been done. Is that clear? Is that clear? You understand what I'm talking about?
Yes, sir.
So we have done with 90% of the chapter. How many of you are following the class? Turn on your cameras, everyone. Turn on your cameras, everyone. Hmm. How is everything? How is going? You must respond. No, without responding, we cannot go forward. आया समझ में आ रहा है ना? मैंने जो भी बोल रहा हूँ आ रहा है समझ में सबको?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I have I asked you to solve the problems. How many have you done that?
Sir, I thought I would do this from this week, so I'll start doing that from this week.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Sir, you told to do 8 to 10 problems daily, no, sir.
Yeah, how many? That's what I'm asking. How many have you done that?
So I did not do in the past week, sir. Like you told in the past week, no, sir. Previous week you told that.
Sorry,
You told to do that to follow that in the previous week, no, sir.
previous?
During previous week you told to follow that, no, sir.
Yeah,
So I thought I would do this from this week, sir, because previous week was so busy. I was so busy, sir.
not this week. See here, whether you have a clause or not, irrespective of that, you must solve the problems. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. I'll do this from today, sir.
See, without anything, you like see, don't wait for my thing. Don't wait for my turn. Actually, you do one thing. You keep doing the problems. You do your job. I'll do my job. See, if you're not doing that, absolutely, you are just one second, one second, one second. My goodness, where has gone, dude? One second. Yes, I asked you to solve this. How many have you done this? The 15th problem. Look at this. So if 10 to the power of 9 plus, if 10 to the power of 9 plus 2 into 11 to the power of 1 into 10 to the power of 8 plus 3 into 11 to the power of 2 into 10 to the power of 10 to the power of 7 plus and dash plus 10 to the power of 10 into 11 to the power of 9 is equal to k into 10 to the power of 9. Then k is equal to what? Make it fast. Tell me how can you solve this? I asked you to solve this. Make it fast. How many have you done this? Make it fast. Tell me the answer. Hello. I think one thing. 1 second. So newcomer has joined. Pravalika. 1 second. Let us welcome her. Pravalika. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Turn on your camera. Everyone. Aditi, Adisha, Anjali. Everyone turn on your camera. Don't make me to repeat the same thing again and again, Mas. Come on, everyone. Pravalika ji.
Good morning. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, beta. See, 1 second. 1 second. एक minute. Yes, tell me how many have you done with the problems? Lesson. Continue with the. ये क्या हो रहा है यार माइक काम चलो so we are in the question called 15th and 16th and Abhinaya, if you have any doubts please go through the lecture videos we have recorded sessions. Please go through that once. So as soon as if you're not understanding anything you can ask me. We'll be conducting extra classes, so if you're not asking anything, if you're not understanding anything, you can feel free to ask. Is that clear? Pravalika ji, you understand?
Yes, sir.
I'm telling you only. So if you have any doubts, any kind of doubts, you can ask
Okay, sir.
by watching those lectures, as well as you can just go through the class notes. And we are just giving only JE point of view notes. Like I'm not giving bunch of data which is like boring you all. So let me give like simple notes like which can be useful a lot, which will be useful to you a lot, and so in a great manner you can just prepare from that notes. The only notes, if you prepare from that notes, actually you can attempt all type of questions. Everyone turn on your cameras. I should not say anyone is turning off your cameras. So look at this here, 15th question. So the question number is the question. This is the question here. Abhinay, are you here? Can you hear me? If you are not here, like how come you are gonna listen the class, ma? If you're okay, no problem. Look at the question. This is the question. 10 to the power of 9 plus this is the last class for sequence and series. So let us jump into the next chapter. In the next class we are going to have we are going to discuss for the next topic. We are going to start a new topic from the next class onwards. This is the last class for sequence and series lesson. Pravalika, we are teaching only, I'm telling you again and again, so JE mains alone. If you are preparing for JE mains alone, so it will be covering for MSET. You understand? Our target is what? This is our target. What's our target? JEE,
J.
not MSET. If you're preparing for JEE, MSET is like cakewalk. It's like a cakewalk for you. All right. Is that clear?
Okay, sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
So prepare well and listen the classes properly. All right. And if you have any doubts, feel free to ask. Don't feel that if I ask doubt now, so everyone laugh at me. It's not the case. You can ask me. You can take my number from the WhatsApp. You can just text me whenever you want, and you can you can clarify your doubts. And we'll be having extra sessions as well for clearing your doubts. So whenever you have doubts, we'll be keeping extra sessions and we'll clear your doubts. No problem. Is that clear? Look at what is the sum of the series given. S is equal to 10 to the power of 9 plus 2 into 11 to the power of 1 into 10 to the power of 8 plus 3 into 11 to the power of 2 into 10 to the power of 7 plus dash 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 10 into 11 to the power of 9. Let me ask a simple question, Pravalika here. See here, have you been to the arithmetic progressions in class 10th? Arithmetic progressions. Have you learned about?
Yes, sir.
So what are the
Yes, sir.
sum of the first and natural numbers? Can you please talk about that something?
Yes, sir. Sorry.
What is the Sum of first and natural numbers.
Uh, A, uh, A, A power n plus 1. So is that right?
No, that is not the case. I'm talking about the sum of first. If I give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dash, 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 till
A1,
50.
A2, A3, A4,
No, no, no.
A5.
N into n plus 1 by 2. This is a formula. Sum of first and natural
Yes,
numbers.
sir.
Sum of squares of first and natural numbers formula is what?
Sir, I forgot. N of
N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1
2n plus 1 by 2.
by 6.
6. Sorry, sir.
Okay, no problem. Please go through the class notes, refer it if
Okay.
you don't. Okay, I have given a wonderful notes. You can just find the notes from Google Classroom. If you don't find
Okay.
anything, like you can ask any one of the girls so that they can help you.
Yes.
Yes, please, Anjali, Disha, Abhinaya, please someone help her so that she also can copy the sequence and series class notes. Class notes in the sense, I'll that I have given important points, the formulas, basic, very important notes, whichever required for solving JE problems. Is that clear? Please, you take the
Yes,
notes.
sir.
You can ask someone of your class girl so that they can give you. Okay, chalo. Now let us solve this question. What he has given? So is equal to k into 10 to the power of 9. Then k is equal to what? What is k equal to? Tell me.
I got 100.
How did you get an 100? How did you get 100? Tell me the
Sir,
options. Option A is 121 by 10. Option B is 441 divided by 100. Option C is 100. Option D is 110.
sir,
How did you solve that? Tell me.
sir, there we can see 11 and 10 is common, right, sir?
Okay.
Sir, so I took 11 by 10. You can take like that also.
S is given here. S is equal to what can I take common here? 10.
No, sir. Yes, sir. 10. I
Okay.
took it as 11 by 10. 10 11 by 10, sir.
Okay. If I take 10 common, what is going to remain? What I'm going to remain with?
Sir, can you hear me?
If I take 10 common, what I'm going to remain with?
Sir,
Hello. I'm asking you that. How did you solve that? Can you please tell me that?
sir, yes. Oh, okay, sir. Sir, I took first, I separated the equation. So 10 into 9, 10 power 9, sir. K into 10 power 9, sir.
Come on.
So then K is equal to, I took it as 1 plus 2 into 11 by 10. I took it as common in, like, common in 2 to and plus 2 into 11 by 10 whole square, sir.
Okay.
Then this following the series, sir, then I took plus 9 11 by 10 whole power 9, sir. Then plus 10 into 11 by 10 whole power 10, sir. That is my equation 2, sir. Then I subtracted equation 2 from equation 1, sir. Then I will get K as 1.
A into 10 to the power of 9 given. So here basically this is what given. You what you have done? Basically 10
Sir,
power of 9 is here.
I did
Ah,
it normally, I left it like that. I
ah.
didn't do anything.
Okay, so 10 power of 9 you took common. If you take 10 power of 9 common, what are you going to remain with? 1 plus
2, sir.
2 into
11
11,
by 10.
11 by 10. Why? Because if I multiply this again, I'm going to get 10
Yes,
power of
sir.
8 only. Next, what are you going to remain with? Tell me.
So then I just put dotted lines, sir.
3. What dotted line, man?
Sir,
11 by
I solved till 9 into 11 by 10 into whole power
that
9,
is
sir.
still 9 we have. So 11 by 10 till 10 we
Sir,
have. Let us write direct stuff.
sir, it's 2, sir, over there.
Huh?
There you wrote 3 now, sir.
Where? Here 3.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we have coefficient. Acha, acha, we have coefficient 2 over here. We here we don't have anything. Even that.
Yes, sir.
So
Sir,
we
and
have
there instead of 10, 9 will be there, no, sir.
correct. I wrote correct only. Look at this here. See, if I take 10 to the power of 9 common, what I'm going to remain with? 1 plus 2 into 11 by 10. Correct only, man. Who said that is wrong? That's correct.
So
You
then
can
I
look.
did it wrong, sir.
Look at then. This is the 1 second. After this, 1 second, girls and boys. Let me create some space. Pravalika, you don't be scary. You will understand everything if you are following the class notes properly. Okay, don't worry. సార్ ఏమో చెప్తున్నాడు నాకు ఏం అర్థం కావట్లేదు అది చెప్పి పరిశాన్ కావద్దు అర్థమైందా
Okay.
ఇస్ దట్ క్లియర్ సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద గివెన్ సిరీస్ గివెన్ సీక్వెన్స్ హియర్ సో 10 to the power of 9 plus 2 into 10 11 to the power of 1 into 10 to the power of 8 and all. Is that clear? Now if I take 10 to the power of 9 common, I'm going to remain with this one. And this is my first equation. All right, this is the given here. This is the given. These are the options. So is equal to what he has given is equal to this one is equal to 10 to the power of 9. That's what he has given, isn't it? Look at this now.
Yes, sir.
So k is equal to what? K 10 to the power of 9 given is equal to. So we'll do one thing here. So this is equal to k to the power of 9 given, right? This is equal to k into 10 to the power of 9 given. So here we'll do one thing, 10 to the power of 9, 10 to the power of 9, I can cancel, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So if I do so, what I'm going to get here? K is equal to 1 plus 2 into 11 by 10 plus 3 into 11 by 10 whole square plus dash 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 till 10 into 11 by 10 whole power of 10. Are you able to understand why I wrote like this? So from the given series, I just took 10 to the power of 9 common so that I'll be remaining with this. And this one he has given in the question. I'm not writing anything by my own. Every data has been given in the question itself. Look at the question carefully. This is what given here. Now look at this here. If I take 11 by 10 common here, or 10 by 11 common, what should I take common? We'll do one thing, we'll multiply with 11 by 10. If I multiply with 11 by 10, what I'm going to get? Tell me. So 11k by 10, 11k by 10, 1 into 11 by 10 plus 2 into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10, 11 by 10 whole square. Is that clear or not? Yes or no? So here 3 into 11 by 10 whole cube plus dash 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 plus 10 into 11 by 10 whole to the power of 11. Is that clear or not? Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this let us consider this as equation number 1. This let us consider this as equation number 2. Is that clear? So as Abhinav said that, Arvind said that 2 minus 1. We'll do equation number 2 minus 1. So if I do so, what I'm going to get here? Tell me. So 11k by 10 minus k is equal. So 1 plus 11 by 10 plus 11 by 10 whole square plus 11 by 10 whole cube dash 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 11 by 10 whole to the power of 11 minus 11 by 10 minus 2 into 11 by 10 whole square minus 3 into 11 by 10 whole square dash dash dash. This is what I'm going to do. See equation number second minus first. So if I do so, what I'm going to get here? Tell me. 11k minus 10k. So okay. So if I take k common, so 11 minus 10 by 10 is equal to
K by 10. K into 11 minus 10 by 10 is K by 10, sir.
Correct only. So now you see here, you just forgot all those stuff. Now you just simply look at this. How it is looking like. See here, now I'm going to get here 1k by 10, isn't it? Take k by 10. K by 10. How it is looking like? 11 by 10, 11 by 10 square, 11 by 10 cube. It is in GP, isn't it? Geometric progression series, isn't it? So now what I'm going to do here, a into a to the power of n. How many terms you have here? 10 terms. Minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Is that clear? This is my r. R is what here? T2 by T1. So 11 by 10 whole square divided by 11 by 10. So if I cancel this, I am going to get r is equal to 11 by 10 only. So this is what I have done. So a into r to the power of n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. This is what I have done here. So after this, what can I make it out? So here I left with minus 10 into 11 by 10 whole to the power of 11. 10. So if I do so, see here, 1 second. So here minus we have to subtract that, minus 11 by 10 whole to the power of 10. Guys, you do carefully while solving this question, this type of question, you have to be so careful in terms of calculations and all. See here, what I'm going to remain with now, k by 10 is equal to, k by 10 is equal to, or else you do one thing here, let us substitute. So here 11 to the power of 10 divided by 10 to the power of 10 minus 10 to the power of 10 whole divided by 11. So my 10, 1 by 10, right? So 1 by 10 here minus 10 into 11 by 10 whole to the power of 10. Is that clear? If you simplify all this stuff, what are you going to get?
100.
If you simplify this, you just simply simplify this, of course, you'll be getting 100. K value will be 100. See, silly, small simplifications you have to make it, guys. So what I have done here, first I have taken 10 power of 9 as common. 10 power of 9 as common. If I take 10 power of 9 as common, what I'm going to remain with? I'm going to remain with the GP series. GP means geometric progression series. So after that, I have applied this formula. What formula is that? What formula was that? This was the formula. So look at this. Since Tn is equal to A into r to the power of n minus 1 by r minus 1. This was the formula. So I applied. What is r here? Common ratio. How I found? T2 by T1. Second term divided by first term. That's how I have found. This is what the answer is, which I'll be getting. So the answer is what now? 100 is the answer. Option C is correct. So guys, please do solve the question again. Simplifications you have to make it out coolly. So what do you have to do first? 10 power of 9 you take common. It will be that you take 10 power of 9 after taking common, you take that as equation number 1. After that, for making it the comfortable, for making it the comfortable equation, you have to multiply with 11 by 10. If I do so, I'll be getting this equation. If I subtract second equation minus first equation, look at this here. Guys, here, I'm sorry, here 10 only will come. So if I write like that, now this will be getting cancelled. So after cancelling, everything will be remaining with one equation, which is in the form of geometric progression. So if I apply geometric progression formula, I'll be getting k value simply as 100. So I hope it is clear with that. Guys, if you are still not understood that, please go through the question. You can go through the question and you can solve the answer at your home. I have given you enough hint. Please follow that. Is that clear? Is that clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, okay, look at this now. Next question. Solve this question. Guys, the sum of series 1 plus 4 by 5. Very, very, very good question. Let's see who is going to come up with your answers. At least try this. How can we solve this? We are going to do one crazy thing here. It is the question as like as the previous one. Let us see how I'm going to solve this. See, this is a series given. Sum of series is S is equal to 1 by 1 plus 1 plus 4 by 5 plus 7 by 5 square plus 10 by 5 cube plus dash 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 till infinite, right? So now what I told you guys, whenever you have this kind of stuff, you multiply. Multiply with 1 by 5 on both sides. See here, if I multiply with 1 by 5, 1 by 5 into S is equal to 1 into 1 by 5, 1 by 5 plus 4 into 1 by 5 means 4 by 5 square plus 7 by 5 cube plus 10 by 5 power of 4. How many have you clear with this point? Till infinite. See here. So let me do one thing here. What best we can do after this? S by 5.
Subtract those two equations.
Which equations?
Not equation.
Let us say this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. So what I am doing here? First minus second. First minus second, if I do so, what I am going to get? Tell me. S minus S by 5 is equal to 1 plus 4 by 5 plus 7 by 5 square plus 10 by 5 cube minus 1 by 5 plus 4 by 5 square minus here also 1 by 5 minus 4 by 5 square minus 7 by 5 cube minus 10 by 5 power of 4. Alright, this is what I'm going to get. See here, now we'll do one thing. Tell me, what can we do? Yes, come on. See here. 1 by 5 minus, hello, simplify that beta. Simply, how much here? 4s by 5, right? 4s by 5, isn't it? 4s by 5 is equal to 1 plus 1 by 5 minus 4 by 5, 3 by 5. So 7 by 5 square minus 4 by 7. So 3 by 5 square
3 by 5.
plus 3
3
by
by
5.
5 cube.
5 power of 4 we don't have. So 5 power of 4, if you write also, you will get it. So we have till 3 only, right? So let us write till 3 only, no problem. Till 3 only we have, so let us write till 3 only. Till third term. So plus dash dash just till infinite. Clear? So now here 4s divided by 5. Now here 1 plus, if I take 3 common, what I'm going to remain with? 1 by 5.
1 by 5 plus 1 by 5.
Till infinite. So I know that sum of infinite formula is what? A by 1 minus r, isn't it? So 3 into, what is A here? What is A here? Hello?
1.
Hello? I'm talking about this series beta. 1 by 5.
1 by
First term, 1 by 5. 1 minus r. What is r? 1 by 5 only. But r is what? T2 by T1, right? 1 by 5 square divided by 1 by 5. So here 2 times, here 1 time. So if I cancel, I'll be getting with 1 by 5. So 4s divided by 5 is equal to 1 plus 3 into, so 1 by 5 divided by, so 4 by 5. So if I cancel this and this, what I'm going to remain with now? Tell me 4s by 5 is equal to, make it fast, show your enthusiasm, girls and boys. 4 by 1 by 4, isn't it? So if I cancel this, 4s is equal to 5. So s is equal to what? 5 by 4 I got. Is that clear? But we don't have 5 by 4 option in the options given, right? We don't have options. Let me write options here. Here, let me write options. 7 by 16, option A. The option B is 5 by 16. Option C is 105 by 64. Option D is 35 by 60. So we have, these are the options which we have. Is there any mistake we made? Tell me, children, where is the mistake happened? Let us find it out together. Okay. Come on. There is the 1 second. So from the first onwards, the sum of the series is given. Okay. Everything is correct only. Yes. Correct only. But where it went wrong. Okay. 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 Oh my goodness. Here we made a mistake. Hmm? Here,
But should we not add
Ayyo.
1 plus?
No, 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 no. Aయ్యో రామ 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 కృష్ణ కృష్ణ. చూడండి బాబులు అందరూ. Look at this here. We made a mistake, silly mistake. No one is telling me here. Sir, instead of taking 1 by 5 common, shall we take 3 by 5? 4 yes by 5 if I take. So 1 plus. Yeah, 3 by 5 common this time మిగులుతుంది నాకు 1 plus. 3 by 5 common తీసుకుంటే మిగులుతుంది 1 by 5. అవునా కదా? Plus 1 by 5 square. Isn't it? 1 by 5 cube and so on if I go so. So 4 yes by 5 is equal to 1 plus 3 by 5. Now it is in geometric progression, so it will infinite. So what is the formula? 1 by, so a by 1 minus r. 1 minus r. What is r here? Divided by, so 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 only, r is equal to minus r, 1 by 5. So 4 yes by 5 is equal to 1 plus 3 by 5 into, so 1 by, so 4 by 5. 4s by 5 is equal to 1 plus 3 by 5 into 5 by 4. Is that clear? Now this I can cancel. 1 plus 3 by 4. 4 yes by 5 here. So yes, we got the answer now. 4 yes by 5 is equal, here how much? 4. So 7 by 4. So s is equal to what now? 5 into 7 divided by 4 into 4, which makes me 35 by 16. It gives me 35 by 16. This is going to be my final answer. Okay? Yes, we have an option. Is that clear? So this is how we should solve. How do you need to solve this kind of stuff? This kind of question, how do you solve, guys? If you are getting this kind of question in your JEE exam, what you have to do? You have to take simply, you have to multiply with the denominator part. What is the denominator part given? 1 by 5, some 5 series, right? 1 by 5, 1 by 5 square, something like that. So if you multiply with that, what are you going to get? 1 by 5 into s is equal to 1 by 5 plus 4 by 5 square plus 7 by 5 cube plus dash to infinite. This is what you are going to get, right? So this is my second number equation now. From first equation, I just subtracted second equation. So what I got, this is what I got. After getting that, look at this step. After that, this step. After that, what I just done, 3 by 5 I took common. 3 by 5 I took common, and this sum of series. This is a formula for sum of infinite series. Sum of infinite series formula clearly I have just told you in the class notes. Sum of is s in sum. Sum I'll be denoting with s. I'll be denoting with s. Sum of infinite series is equal to a by 1 minus r. A by 1 minus r. Is that clear, children? Yes. So now this is what? So 4s by 15 is equal to 1 plus 3 by 5 into 1 by 1 minus 5. So after that, if you proceed, so you'll be getting this is my answer. Is going to be 35 by 16 is the answer. Any doubts here? Come on. Tell me. Hello.
No doubts.
No doubt, sir.
Very good. Uh, Pravalika, are you able to follow the class?
Yes, sir.
Do you know sum of infinite series formula before this class?
No, sir.
Sum of infinite series formula, sum of infinite series. The series whichever is in geometric progression, we'll be having a formula for infinite series. If you refer the class notes and work hard on that, don't take it easy, because you are somewhat
Yes.
late to this, institute. So please follow that up and try to
Okay, sir.
understand it and ask the doubt. If you are not asking the doubt, I never understand that whether you are going through the class notes or not. So
Okay, sir.
if you are going through the class notes, then only I can understand. If you are going through the class notes, then only you will get your doubts. If you are getting doubts, so I can understand that, oh, you are in a track. You are on the track. Is that
Okay, sir.
clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Chalo, then next. Shall we move forward now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Pravalika, are you facing any problem?
No, sir.
Yeah, I think do you have any kind of device issue with you?
No, sir. Actually, the phone is not standing.
What's the problem?
Actually, I didn't turn on my camera in any class, sir. So I'm facing problem. That's it.
Acha, 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 acha. Like you are using mobile phone.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you do one thing. You just fix up with somewhere, or else if you have any problems, you can turn off your camera. No problem. If you're
Okay, sir.
not able to
Thank
handle it, you can turn off your camera, man. No, don't struggle. No
you.
problem.
Okay.
Okay. You can turn off your camera and you'll have it properly. No problem. Those who are using your, so whenever I ask you to turn on your camera, then you can turn on for a while, and then you can just, if you are facing any
Okay,
problem, you
sir.
can just let me know. Don't get trouble. Okay, no problem. If you are using your systems, then that is fine. If you are using mobile phone, you can hold for a long time and then listen the class. It is not possible. Your concentrate should be on the class, not holding on the phone, not on a holding phone. Clear? Is that
Okay,
clear,
sir.
everyone? I
Mm.
hope it is understand. Not only Pravalika, everyone. Is that clear, children? Any doubts now? Any doubts? Yes, come on. Tell me, do you guys have any doubts?
No, sir.
No.
Please, please, please go through your class notes. Everyone. Okay. Chalo, now I'll give a simple question here. I'll be reading the questions here. You take these questions as homework. Uh, what is your name? Pravalika. You just text me in.
Yes.
As soon as you're done with the class, you text me in WhatsApp.
Okay,
I'll
sir.
share the class notes. I'll share the sequence and series, like entire notes. I'll be sharing with a single PDF, so they can
Okay,
just
sir.
go through that, copy it, and just refer it. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Let 3 plus 4 plus 8 plus 9 plus 13 plus. I mean class notes in the sense, like the classes whichever we have. That is not that one. I'm talking about important formulas, important
Okay, sir.
points, that kind of notes.
Sir, your phone number?
Not my phone number. You can just get my phone number. You can get my phone number from Manoj sir, unless you can get my number in the
Sir,
WhatsApp itself.
70134 is that?
Yes, you can get my number
Okay,
from
sir.
the WhatsApp itself.
Okay, sir.
You have
Thank you.
yeah. So 40 terms is equal to yes. So if everyone, guys, not only if you are facing any issues with your class notes, and if you have any technical issues, look at this here. If you have any technical issues, you have to you know you have to refer Mr. You have to ask Mr. Rahul. All right, Rahul sir is a coordinator. You can ask me if you are facing any kind of technical issue. If you have any kind of doubts regarding the classes and questions and all, you can text me. Clear? You cannot you cannot text me for technical issues. All right. Thank you. So yes. Now if S is equal to 102 into M, and I would like to ask here, how many of you didn't write your test? Come on, tell me. I think Amrud didn't write your test. Amrud, did you?
I also didn't write, sir.
Who is
I
that?
was out of station for 2 days.
Who is that?
Aditi,
Then you should have informed me, right?
yes, sir.
Then why didn't you inform?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I wrote, sir.
Uh, okay, Anjali wrote, I think so. Disha, have you?
Yes, sir, I wrote.
Who else? Abhinaya? She is not leaving the class. Okay, then M is equal to what? Is the question. Is that clear? You understand, children, what I'm trying to say here? S is equal to 102 times of 102 into M. Then M is equal to dash. All right. So here let me give options here. Option A is 20. Option B is 25. Option C is 10. Option D is 5. Solve this question immediately now. Let us see how many of you are going to solve this. Let me ask. Yes, solve this question immediately. Here 9 plus till 40 terms. 40 terms is equal to S. Till 40 terms we have, that is equal to S. S means sum of all these terms. Sum of all these. S means what here? Sum of all these terms. Is that clear? Come on. Sum of n terms formula is what? Sum of n terms formula is what? Whether it is in AP or not. Tell me. What is the common difference? 4. Common difference 4. Look at this. Not 4.
1414, sir.
1414. 1 4. Yes. So tell me whether it's an AP series or not. 14141414. So it is a constant, isn't it? So now look at this here. Very, very, very wonderful question. Tell me now. See, instead of doing that, can we do one thing here? Very, very wonderful question. 141414 means, is it in arithmetic progression or not? See, sir, 1414. You told that there should be a common difference. There should be a same common difference, but you are having 1414. What is that 1414? Look at this. So here, can I just add these two now? 3 plus 4 is 7. Can I add these two now? How much? 17.
Yes, sir.
17 plus. Can I add these two now? What's the common difference? 27
20,
plus. And goes on till
40 terms.
till 40 terms. Wrong answer. Look at this. We are having two numbers as a one pair. Means 40. So 40 means 20 terms.
20 terms.
Then that is a good. There is a concept here. That is a very wonderful question. See, we are taking two terms as a pair. So how many pairs will happen if you have 40 terms? 20 pairs, of course, for 20 terms. That's why. Look at this. Why you are writing like that? Why? Because what's the common difference? 10, 10, 10, and so on. So common difference is supposed to be same, right? In arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is what? Difference of two consecutive terms supposed to be constant. That is arithmetic progression. So look at this here. Do we have difference is the same for both the common terms here? Look at this here. Common difference is 1 here. Common difference is 4 here. 1 4 1 4 1 4 we have. For making that, I'm adding these two, and so on. So what is my common difference? Look at this here. 10, 10, and so on. So now can I apply the formula called sum of 40 terms is equal sum of 40 terms is equal to n. What is n here? Yeah, how many terms? N terms. So sum of 20 terms here, right? Sum of 20 terms is equal to 20 by 2 into a. So 2a, a is what here? 7. 2a plus n minus 1 d is what here? 10. Is that clear? This is the formula, children. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is my formula. What is n here? Number of terms. What is a here? First term. What is d here? Common difference. So S20 is equal to 10. 2 ones are 2 tens are. So 14 plus 190. All right. S20 is equal to 10 into 14 plus 190. How much? 204. All right. 204. So now this one is equal to what he has given. This one is equal to, look at the question. Where is it? Yes, here S is equal to what? If S is equal to 102 into M given, then find M value. S is equal to what? Look at this here. This is what S, right? This is equal to S given. So this is equal to S. S is equal to what given here? 102 into M. Is that clear? Yes or no? And now cancel it here. 102 once, 102 two times. So M is equal to what now? What is M is equal to? Tell me. Hello?
20.
भाई 20 होगा M value. आया समझ? M is equal to 20 is my answer. So that's how we can solve. Very simple question. So option A is correct. Is that clear? So with this we have done the sequence and series. We have almost solved. We have solved every type of question. Is that clear? We have solved every type of question from the arithmetic progression, geometric progression, and arithmetic mean, geometric mean, harmonic mean, arithmetic progression. Everything we have solved clear-cutly. Please go to that and ask me the doubts if you have anything. So come on.
Sir, exam should we do the whole process to find the answer?
Sorry.
Should we do the whole process to find the answer in exam?
Yes, of course. Without doing all this stuff, you can't make the answer, isn't it? Who asked this question? Who asked this question?
Aditi.
Yes,
Because for us they'll give like only 2 minutes for one question. So
I didn't get you.
there's 90 questions, sir, in one paper, 180 minutes.
Of course, you have to practice like that. Then only it is possible. If you're not practicing, then that is not going to possible. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
So you must do. You cannot skip from that. That is for sure. Is it clear?
Yes.
So yes. So next we are going to start with a different chapter. Next we are going to start with a different chapter called I'll tell you which chapter we are going to start. In the next class we'll discuss about that. All right. I'll tell you in the next class which chapter we are going to start and all. Clear? Is that clear with everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let's retire now. We'll meet in the next session and then goodbye. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.